people feed themselves with the mindset of I have to blow an account before I become profitable in the forex markets. No, read my lips. No, no. You don't have to blow an account before you become profitable. And I'm about to show you guys that this thing is possible. So hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be watching this from. So I'm just a new guy here in YouTube. So this is my first video. This is my first video. This is just like a documentation of of my forex journey. So I'm about to start. I just funded my live account, my first live account, So me coming to YouTube, documenting all this stuff is just like just for two things, right? For two things. First is okay, let's see how I'm gonna be able to, you know, stay long in this forex market before becoming profitable, and also sharing with you guys, maybe upcoming forex traders, and forex traders like me who are just starting, who are still on them, or who just funded a live account. So I just funded my first live account uh the day before yesterday, right? That was on. So today's date is Wednesday 8th November. So Wednesday 8th of November 2023. Yeah, that's today's date. And so I funded it on Monday. So today's Wednesday. And I haven't traded. So I'm just in the setup. And I've put it pending. The second thing starting this video now is I want to set a challenge for myself, right? I want to set a challenge for myself, and the challenge is basically not to blow an account before I become profitable. I know it's a crazy challenge, it's not impossible. It's a challenge that's very, very possible if I do the right things, right? If I do the right things, if I'm not greedy, discipline, because trading is more about psychology, right? It's more about psychology. So I want to improve more on that, improve more on my journaling, and many other things, right? That will make me not to blow an account before I achieve the height of profitability in the forex market, right? And if I blow this account, it's a challenge, right? I might fail it and I might win it, right? It's a challenge, right? Do you understand? So basically, it's a $48 account I funded, right? I funded by through the help of family, right? Family. I funded it so I can trade it, maybe get maybe 100% in maybe 1 month. Do you understand? Conservatively trading it, right? I risk maybe $3 per trade. Maximum is $3 per trade. That's what I want to be risking on every trade. Do you understand? And so far so good. I didn't trade on Monday, I didn't trade on Tuesday because I'm waiting for a particular setup, right? I'm waiting for a particular setup, and we'll head to the chart. I'll show you guys the setup, right? So but before that, so what I want to do is be able to get maybe $50 from this account, right? Maybe in 1 month or 1.5 months, right? I should be able to get that if I don't blow the account, right? So let's say I get $50 from this account. What I want to do is purchase a prop farm, because $50 is not going to be sustainable. What's $50? So you can get a higher equity, a higher money. Do you understand? To trade with and start using lesser risk. Do you understand? Because 3% of $40, that's about maybe 6 to 7% per trade. Do you understand? So I'm looking at in terms of percentage. Do you understand? In terms of percentage. So I want to get a profile. So that is if I am able to not blow this account, right? Not blow this account, then I know what. So if I don't blow this account, then I'm doing the right thing, right? I'm not saying flipping in just 1 week, conservatively doing the right things, right? Doing the right thing, not flipping. No, I'm not going into that area. No, if I flip, I'm gonna blow the account. I don't want that. I've been tempted to play straight yesterday, and because forex, you see, for beginners, forex is like a devil tempting you to do something, tempting you to breach your rules that you set, right? So this guy who who quickly identify when I'm being tempted, right? So Monday, so I should be placing a trade today. Today's Wednesday. I should be placing a trade today. I'm only trading gold. For every beginner, just try to take one pay at least at first. Try to take one pay. Don't say because I'm still a beginner. I should be advising. It's a reasonable stuff. Try to go one step at a time, right? Then maybe if you've not achieved profitability, then you can start adding maybe two or more pairs. Do you understand? For me, I'm trading gold for now. I'm trading gold, and so that is it basically. That is it. So another thing is, like I said, I'm gonna be purchasing prop farm, right? A prop farm. So with the $50, that's maybe I get. Do you understand? I hope I get the $50 out of this $48 I want to trade. So the moment I hit that $50 being in profit, I'm gonna withdraw it, and then boom, 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 boom. So my rules are not to trade more than 6 times in a week. Do you understand? In a week, I want to be more patient. I want to be more patient. Do you understand? More than 6 times in a week. That's the maximum I should trade in a week. And also per trade 0.01, 0.01 lot size, because so so by risking $3, I'll be 30 pips. Maximum pips is 30 pips. Do you understand? 30 pips will be my maximum pips that I'm going to be using for this account. Do you understand? No greedy, no, nah. But when I get maybe 10% in profitability, maybe I get $10. Maybe this trade I want to take, maybe it gets me maybe $10 to $15. Then my next trade, I can start looking for, okay, let's start placing a 0.02. Do you understand? When I'm in profit, I'll have the ability to place, like using my profit to start placing, to start adding. Do you understand? So leveling up, just like leveling up. Do you understand? So that's what I want to do. I won't place, I won't be placing 0.2 when I'm in drawdown or when I'm in break even. No, when I'm in profit, that's the only time I'm allowed. When I'm in profit of more than 10%, that's the only time I'm allowed to place 0.02. Do you understand? To risk 0.02 in that trade. So that's what I want to do. That's my rules, and my minimum risk score is 1:3. Gold can be very volatile. Gold brings a lot of pips. Do you understand? So 1:3 will be my minimum risk to reward. So that's it. That's my rule. So let's head to the chart to see my setup for the day. So guys, we are now at the chart. We are at the chart. So this is XAU USD, gold spot US dollars. So today's date is, like I said, today's date is 8th of November 2023. So you watch, gold has been bullish. Do you understand? Gold has been buying. Gold has been buying, right? That's from this zone right here. It has been bullish for the last couple of weeks. Gold has been bullish, right? So I also predicted this move, right? I predicted this move that gold is going to come from here to this zone right here. So let's head to our setup for today. Our setup for today is, so this is currently the 4 hour time frame. So let's zoom. So if you watch gold, we are now like in a trend change. Good, right? A trend change. So gold got to this level, it formed like an empire turn. It broke this zone, which is not meant to break it if it's still going up, right? If gold was still about, if gold was to move up, it's gonna come to this zone right here, retest, and then start moving again. Do you understand? But it's created an empire turn. It came to this zone, it retested. Do you understand? It came back, sort of like consolidated. Then this was like last week Friday. And here, this is like a fake out, more of like a fake out candle, more of like a fake out candle, right? More of like a fake out candle. So it's so good has come back. It broke the zone, right? It's so this is another zone right here. So it got to the zone. It's now about to retest, right? It's about to retest and then start tanking down. Do you understand? And then start tanking down. There's a daily zone here. There's a psychological level here. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. So this is it. So this is it. So as you can see, so this is my chart analysis. I've set it there. So let's go to the zone. It's about to come to the zone right here. If it doesn't get to this zone, we are not selling. Do you understand? If it doesn't get to the zone, we are not selling. So once it gets here, then it's gonna tank here. So there's a psychological level right here. There's a daily zone, there's a 4 hour zone. So there's a psychological level. So there's a trend change, trending confirmation that we are selling. Do you understand? So we are selling. So this is like a break and retest. This is a break and retest. So all these confluences are meeting each other. So that's why we're selling. We're only trading higher probability trades. Do you understand? We're only going for higher probability trades. So like I said, I don't want to blow this account. It's a challenge. So we should only be patient and wait for higher probability trades, right? So then so this is, my risk, minimum risk reward is ratio 3, right? So and this is ratio 4, which is a very good opportunity to get in, right? So if this trade goes in our favor, this is 140 pips, right? 140 pips, 140 pips target here. This is 140 pips. Do you understand? So 140 pips. So that will be $14 in profit. If it conveniently hits our TP, right? If it conveniently hits our TP, that will be $14. So if it goes against us, that is 31 pips, which is $3. Do you understand? 31 pips. That is $3. So that is it. So it's worth it. It's a trade that worth it, right? A high probability setup and a good risk to reward, right? A good risk to reward. So in terms of this, where I put my TP, I put my TP in a place that is going to conveniently hit. So now according to market structure, as price broke out of this zone, it's coming to this zone. It's surely going to break this zone also. So it's going to come here and then break this zone. So I might have put my TP somewhere here. No, I put my TP in a zone where I know, okay, price is going to conveniently get to, right? Here. No, my TP is supported here. According to my strategy, my TP is going to be here, right? So it's going ratio 5, ratio 5, guys, ratio 5, ratio 5. So this is where my TP is supposed to be. Yeah. So this is my TP right here. In a place, I know that if it's gonna be winning trade, it's gonna conveniently hit this zone right here, this low. We put it at the bottom of the candle, not the wick. Do you understand? So that's how my strategy is placed. So got that from the king himself, Sametochi. Yeah, that is it. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So back onto the challenge, guys. It's a guy Adman FX. So back onto the challenge. Um, challenge is not to blow an account. For those who don't know, it's crazy, right? So but today's setup, right? Yesterday's setup didn't later play out. Yesterday's setup did not play out. So it didn't come to my zone, so I didn't sell yesterday. Yeah, I didn't sell. So but today you are seeing another sweet setup to sell again. Yeah, we're in a downtrend round. We're in a downtrend now. So we're selling. So before let's head on to the chart. Let's make some money. Hello guys. So with trend line, it came back to this one yesterday, coupled with psychological level, coupled with the hourly zone. So now it should come back to this trend line, coupled with the psychological level, right, and also the 4 hour zone right here. There's also a 4 hour zone, but it's a week. Yes, but it's a week. So now let's hope for the best. So this is what we're currently looking at. So let's zoom in. This is currently a trade of this is currently 24 pips, which is $2.40. If it goes against me, I'll be losing $2.40. Do you understand? But if it goes in our favor, it goes in our favor, that will be that will be 10 that'll be $10 plus just $10. So let's just say $10. So if it goes conveniently goes in our favor, we'll be accumulating in $10, guys. $10. So conservatively, guys, conservative, no rushing, no rushing, no rushing. So if it comes and hits my stop loss, then I know, okay, this is a good loss, not a bad loss. This is a good loss because I'm following my rules, guys. I'm following my rules. So you watch this candle right here. What I'm looking out for. We're still on the 4 hours, guys. So this green candle that's formed right here. I'm expecting it. I'm expecting this green candle to just come all the way here. It's so now you watch. We are currently in the overlap session. Uh, London and New York overlap session. We're currently there. So there's now going to be high liquidity, high volatility. I mean, there's now going to be high volatility. So, and this candle remains like about 2 hours for it to close. Do you understand this candle? So I'm anticipating that this green candle is just going to come here, touch my entry level, and then just start coming back with a week, and start going in my favor. So that is what I'm currently looking out for. That's what I'm currently looking out for. So now let's zoom in into probably 15 minutes. Let's zoom in, zoom in. So if you watch, this is what we're currently having on the 15-minute time frame. So this trend line just got broken. This trend line here has got broken. This counter trend line. So I'm looking for this one to soon get broken. Then we can now start. Then it's gonna start coming here. Price is gonna come here, touch our entry level, and then start coming down to our take profit, guys. Take profit. So I'm also looking out for something like this. If price should come and touch here and then come back here to this, like a break and retest, right? Price should break this zone, come and retest here, come back to this zone. I'm gonna stack. I'm gonna enter another 0.01. Do you understand? But I'm gonna be at break even at that point, right? I'm gonna be at break even. So, and then we can start going into our direction. So if something like that happens, I'm gonna enter another 0.01. Do you understand? So instead of making like $10, we can now start making like $15. Do you understand? So just like, but I must be at break even before I think of entering another 0.01. Do you understand? At this, probably this zone. So if my analysis is right, this is what's going to happen. It's going to break here, come to this zone, touch our entry level, and then come here, retest, and then boom. So something like that is going to happen. So if it happens, I'm going to be cashing in about $15 today, guys. But if it goes against us, I'm going to be losing to about $3 maximum. Okay. That's it. Our entry level, we just hit our entry level, right? And we're currently in a loss of about -$1.90, right? -$1.90. Man, if we hit our surplus, we go again another day, That's it. Let's keep the pip moving. Let's keep it moving. First trade ever. Yeah. Just trying to document everything, right? Just trying to document everything. Woof, man. Today is currently Thursday, November 9th. Like I told you guys, Thursday, November 9th. Yeah. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Yeah. Guys, my stop loss just got hitting. Oof, my stop loss just got hitting, guys. Just got hitting. So, another day, another trade, another making money, another risk. You understand? So, that's it. Hello, guys. Good morning. It's your guy, Admam FX. Welcome to my channel. And it's currently about about, I think the time now is 8:43 a.m. Yeah, 8:43 a.m. So it took a loss yesterday. I felt it a little bit, but it is what it is. So actually, I discovered what happened yesterday, right? Because I reviewed the trade. I went back to the trade. I reviewed it, but something also happened yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday, right? The trade we took yesterday. So that was the first trade, and it relieved me or something in my heart that I've always wanted to start a live account, right? Since about 6 or 5 months ago. Do you understand? So yesterday, something happened after I took that loss. I don't know, maybe it was temptation. I fell into that temptation of forcing another trade. So I placed on another trade again. Like as it hit my stop loss, it got to another zone where I've been looking out where I was looking out for again, right? So it got to that zone and I took another trade, right? Took another trade. I'm gonna show you when we get to the chart where I took the trade. So it hit a loss again. Now it was a loss about $2. So I'm currently down about $5, guys. The $3, the first one, the second one. So I learned a valuable lesson there. Not ever frustrate. Do you understand? Maybe you take a loss, then you're trying to force another one. No, if not, you're gonna end up. It might result in a win, but it's not a good way to trade. Do you understand? So I'm currently down about five freaking dollars, guys. $5. So another thing is, so I reviewed the trade. I saw when it went wrong. That trade I shouldn't have taken it yesterday. Do you understand? And it was because of some reason. So I'm going to share that reason with you. Another thing I want to say is some people create that mindset of, some people feed themselves with the mindset of I have to blow an account before I become profitable in the forex markets. No, read my lips. No, no. You don't have to blow an account before you become profitable. And I'm about to show you guys that this thing is possible. So let's see how far that goes, guys. Let's see how far that goes. So we'll head on to the charts now, and also seeing another setup today. Do you understand? I'm also seeing another setup that we're going to be taking today. Let's hope this goes in our favor, right? So I've been able to review the yesterday trade, what went wrong. I shouldn't have taken that loss yesterday. So let's head on to the chart and see what is there for us. Do you understand? Hello guys, so we are now at the chart, guys. We are now at the chart. So if you look closely, this is the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. So let's zoom in. So this was our loss yesterday. This right here was our loss yesterday. So the lesson I learned was, so what's made this loss was that, okay, I didn't wait for confirmation, right? I just set the sell limits, which I should have waited for confirmation on the 15-minute time frame, right? So now let's go to the 15. Let me zoom into the 15-minute time frame. So guys, this was the loss right here, which we took yesterday. So we're looking out for this trend. We're supposed to wait for confirmation right here at this place for candlestick, for price action, for candlestick chart pattern to form, right? We're supposed to wait for confirmation right here or right here. Do you understand? Before we took a sell yesterday. So, but we've learned, guys. We've learned one or two things. We learn every day, guys. Still, learning is very good. That reviewing your trade is very, very good. It's gonna help you a lot. So now, guys. So now, if you watch, I've been able to wake up in this morning and do some analysis. So this is the analysis I did this morning. This like I'm talking now. So price should break downwards, and we're already seeing that price is breaking downwards. So we should come to the zone. So why I don't want to take this sell is if you watch, why I don't want to take this sell this morning, this sell. Why I don't want to take it is, if you watch, price, I don't think price is going to get down here. I think price is gonna get here, but I'm not 100% sure if price is gonna get here, but I think price should get here to this trend line right here, because the trend line, another trend line just formed yesterday. Do you understand? I think price should get here, and then start moving up. Do you understand? And then start moving up, because there's already a trend line here. Do you understand? There's already a trend line here, because this trend line just got broken. So we should have like a break and retest, right? A break and retest. So there's another trend line here, a break and retest, a psychological level. Do you understand? The psychological level. So let's see what I hold, guys. So we're already having like three confluences, right? At that zone, at this one right here, this one right here, this one. So this is what I'm looking out for. So when price get into this zone, we'll be looking for chart pattern on the 15-minute time frame. We'll take a trade right here. So now you watch. This was a chart pattern, right? A chart pattern, like a W. Do you understand? So at the neckline break, we could have entered for a buy. Do you understand? At the neckline break, we could have entered for a buy. Do you understand? And there's also a trend line here. At the trend line break, could have entered for a buy. At the neckline break, could have entered for a buy. At the psychological level break, we could have entered for a buy. Do you understand? So all these confluences meet yesterday, but I was looking, and then boom. Do you understand? So that was I was looking out for. So another thing was, you also watch yesterday. So yesterday, as price got here, we should have drawn the trend line. Just know that it is an any that we have. Let me zoom out. I'm going to probably 1 hour. So you see what I'm trying to say. So now if you watch, it's like an any diagonal, right? So price broke out. So we shouldn't have taken that sell yesterday. So these are the reasons why we shouldn't have taken the sell, right? We should have taken the sell. So that's for that. Do you understand? That's for that.